This is a compact USB-C hub for a MacBook Pro, and I'll go over some of the ports here. First of all, it's taking up the two USB-C plugs on the side of the computer here. This is a MacBook Pro 16. And what you get in return is you get your two USB-Cs back here, an HDMI, a USB 3.0 headset, a micro and regular size SD card readers, and then a USB 2 port. And you could see about how large it is sitting in my hands. You do get these little rubber feet, and they come with 3 sets of them. So when it's plugged in, it won't be easy to snap off. It has some support. However, if you could see here, I've got this fancy little hard case on mine. I had to take off the bottom part of the case in order for this to fit in and make contact. So if your Mac is in a case like this, it may not work, just so you know. And it goes right in here. You get the two USB-Cs here. Just plug them in all the way. Make sure it's in good. Gently set it down. And it does have pretty good support here. I could, if I push on it, it's not bending, so it's not going to snap those. I tried it out. I plugged in an external monitor. That worked just fine. I had no issues with it. And this is the box that it comes in. Gives some instructions there. So if you're looking for something that's compact and where some of them are kind of large, and you might, you don't really want to travel with them. This you could just put in a laptop bag. It doesn't really gain you a lot, on my particular MacBook, because I'm losing two USB-Cs. I'm getting those back. I have an HDMI on the other side. I have an SD card reader on the other side. It's giving me back my headphone jack. So really what I'm gaining is a USB 3 and a USB 2. So basically that's what I'm gaining from adding this. So it's something to think about if you're looking for a lot of extra ports. When you plug these in, you're just getting back what you're losing, and then you're getting two USB ports. So anyway, if you do want something compact and lightweight to take, though, this is a pretty good option.
This is the device. It connects on the side of my MacBook. I have a 15-inch MacBook Air. The kit also comes with these pads on the bottom. I used 2 of them. It comes with 6 total. It includes your Thunderbolt, your, HDMI, your C port, your thumb drive or USB 3, your audio, and then your SD card. I have not tested all of these, but I've tested the thumb drive so far, and my computer was able to quickly recognize it. So 10 out of 10.